Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, we will discuss some methods that can be used with arrays. In the last tutorial, we covered some methods shift, unshift, push, and pop. Now, there are some more methods that we can apply to arrays. Let's create an array of fruits: apple, banana, cherry, and date. If you want to remove an element from the array, you can use the delete operator. Just use the delete keyword and specify the index you want to remove. For example, let's delete the first element. Now, if you display this array using console.log, you'll notice that the first element, apple, is empty. When you try to display just the first element, you'll see undefined in the console. But keep in mind that using the JavaScript delete operator leaves undefined holes in the array. So, to remove elements, it's better to use the pop or shift methods instead of the delete operator. You can easily figure out the position of any element. For example, let's duplicate the fruits array. Remove this delete fruits and create a new variable. Its name will be position. After the equal sign, write the name of the array, which is fruits, followed by a dot and the method called indexOf. In the parentheses, write the element for which you want to find the position. Let's say you want to know the position of date. Use the position variable in the console log. You'll see 3 on the console. Now, let's talk about another method. To continue, let's comment out this code. We can use the concat method to merge 2 or more arrays into a single one. I'll utilize the same fruits array for this example. Let's make another array called vegetables that includes onions as the first element, beet as the second, and potato as the last one. To merge these arrays, create a variable with a name, like my name, and set it equal to the first array, which is fruits, followed by a dot. We have the concat method. Inside the parentheses, write the name of the second array, which is vegetables. Now, write my new in the console log. All the elements from fruits and vegetables are now in one array. This is how you can combine 2 arrays. Now, let's merge 3 arrays. Create one more array called color. You can think of it as representing the colors of fruits and vegetables. It has 3 colors: red, blue, and green. In the parentheses, add the name of this color array after vegetables. We've successfully combined 3 arrays. Let's check out how we can access an element from this new array. I want to access potato. Copy this line. Use index 6. It will display potato in the console. Which index number should I use to access blue? Of course, blue can be found at index 8. Remember, the concat method doesn't alter the existing arrays, it always returns a new array. Let's clear all the code. We will use the same array. Next, we have the splice method that is used to add new elements at a specific position in the array. I want to add 2 new elements where cherry is. Use the array name, followed by a dot, and the splice method. In the parentheses, provide 4 parameters. The first one is 2, followed by a comma, and the second parameter is 0. Here, you can write the new elements. I'd like to add papaya and apricot. After this change in the array, display it by console log. When you save it, you'll see that papaya and apricot are now at the 3rd position in the array. The first parameter in splice, which is 2, defines the position where new elements should be added. The second parameter, 0, specifies that no elements should be removed. The remaining parameters, papaya and apricot, define the new elements to be added. If you write 1 in place of 0 in the splice method, it will remove one element that comes after the new elements. If you write 2, it will remove 2 elements that come after the new elements papaya and apricot. You can use this method to specifically remove elements. For example, if you use two parameters, like 1 and 1 in splice, it will remove banana from the array. Now, let's remove cherry. Cherry is at index 2, so pass 2 as the first parameter. The first value defines which element you want to remove, and the second value defines how many elements you want to remove. Copy this entire code and paste it below. Next, we have the slice method that is used to slice out a portion of an array. Let's understand it by an example. Create a new variable, let's call it myNew, and set it equal to fruits followed by a dot and the slice method. In the parentheses, put 2. In the console log type myNew. This will start the array from index 2. At position 2, we have cherry, so the array starts from there. This means it slices out a part of the array. You can also pass two arguments, such as 0 and 2. When the slice method is given two arguments, it selects array elements starting from the first argument. In my case, it begins from apple. It continues up to the ending element, which is cherry, but the end element is not included. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.